Hi guys, today I will compare the sound of the BlitzWolf AS1 and the JBL Flip 4. As you can see, the BlitzWolf is the heavier, larger and bulkier unit. The Flip 4 is a more portable device. In terms of audio hardware, the Flip 4 has 2 drivers and 2 external passive radiators, while the BlitzWolf has 2 10 watts drivers. So let's see how they perform. I will play some songs on the speakers and tell my personal opinion at the end of the video. So let's play the music. Please put on your headphones. Overall, I think both speakers sound great, their performance is quite similar. The Flip 4 is a bit too harsh and the BlitzWolf is a bit too boxy and muddy. I slightly prefer the sound of the Flip 4, but I think both are an excellent device. However, let me know what do you think about the speakers and write your vote in a comment. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.